again, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is a jar of toffee maple cookies, maple toffee cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. One handful of walnut halves or pieces that we're just gonna chop kind of finely, and then this is two and a half cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And for the wet ingredients, this is half cup of regular white sugar and 1 cup of dark brown sugar with half tablespoon of maple syrup, maple essence, and half tablespoon of vanilla essence. And we're just gonna beat this until completely combined, and then we're gonna crack in 2 eggs, 1 egg at a time. Again, we're gonna chop the walnut, mix the dry ingredients. This is flour, soda, and salt. And then we're gonna cream or beat these wet ingredients, which is 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of dark brown sugar. I believe I forgot to mention the oil earlier. And half cup of white sugar, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, and half tablespoon of maple essence. And later on, we're gonna crack in 2 whole eggs. Like so. Until completely combined. Crack in an egg, 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Now stir in dry ingredients. Followed with our chopped walnut and toffee bits. So I use Chip It Score from Hershey's. Now drop by tablespoon or 1 cookie scoop onto ungreased baking pan. I'm gonna bake this on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Like so. And if you want, you can add 1 chocolate chip. If not, it's fine as well. Preheated 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. From the oven, leave on the pan for 5 minutes, and then move it to cooling rack.